Hi, I'm Carlo Perello here at OPSWAT. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how OPSWAT protects the world's critical infrastructure. What is critical infrastructure? Critical infrastructure is a term used to describe assets that are essential for the functioning of a society and economy. Think about water facilities, power plants, government agencies, and other critical facilities that cannot afford to have any outages or disruptions. Before I start, there are some key terms I'll be mentioning while going through the platform. OPSWAT IT and OT leverages our patent technology called CDR, which is Content Disarm and Reconstruct, which removes embedded threats to reconstruct every file to prevent zero-day attacks and malware. OPSWAT also partners with our 30 AV vendors to provide multi-scanning to ensure that files are clean of threats. Then we have DLP, which checks for sensitive and confidential file content to prevent data leakage to meet regulatory compliance. Now follow me while I go through OPSWAT's comprehensive cybersecurity platform, providing multiple lines of defense, levels of IT and OT. First, we have a net wall. To protect against outside threats, OT environments are most likely air-gapped. Our unidirectional security gateway net wall ensures physical, proven one-way communication so your critical network is secure and compliant. We have our Neuralyzer. Neuralyzer is a purpose-built for OT asset visibility and monitoring and creates a baseline of all OT assets. The baseline ensures that you know what's supposed to be there. If there's something come online that's not supposed to be there, it's going to raise an alert and let you know by giving visibility of a picture of the offending device. Next, we have our OT Fuse. OT Fuse is an inline IPS and IDS solution. It serves as a last line of defense to make sure that any commands being sent are meeting the profile that has been set. Here we have our engineering workstation. Inside the engineering workstation, we have our OPSWAT client, which scans removable media. And then we have our USB firewall, which physically enforces access to scanned media. And then we have our Metadefender drive, which is protecting the supply chain by scanning the device. Next, we have our Vault. Within your OT environment, you have files that perform different functions such as updating a PLC or upgrading firmware on HMI. Those files live in our secure file solution, Metadefender Vault. Vault isn't just a repository for the files. It ensures that the files scan for threats, leveraging our patent industry-leading deep CDR technology to ensure that the file is safe to use when need to use it. So we go over to our Metadefender kiosk. Our Metadefender kiosk will scan, sanitize, and ingest files from all removable media at the point of entry, providing safe transport to the file into your OT environment within the protection of our unidirectional gateway. We do this by using our multi-scanning, our deep CDR, our vulnerability assessment, and country and order detection before those files can be moved onto your secure network. Now we head over to our IT side. Here we have Metadefender Drive. Metadefender Drive solution is a USB stick used to check laptops by booting and scanning with AV engines checking vulnerabilities and country of origin. Organizations today need to be able to have files securely uploaded to the network while ensuring all the web traffic is secure. These commonly used files can play host to malicious code embedded within. Our ICAP file security integrates with your F5 or A10 network, ensuring all traffic is safe. ICAP also ensures that any file upload taking advantage of OPSWAT's multi-AV scanning engine technology, our deep CDR, and our advanced data loss prevention DLP. You'll be compliant with the latest regulations and have a peace of mind that every file entering your critical network is safe to use. Our ICAP file upload security integrates with your F5 or your A10 network, ensuring all traffic is safe. ICAP also ensures that any file upload takes advantage of OPSWAT's multi-AV scanning engine technology, our deep CDR, and advanced data loss prevention DLP. You'll be compliant with the latest regulations and have peace of mind that every file entering your critical network is safe to use. Next, we have our email security. Email today is still one of the top attack vectors. OPSWAT's email solution can work in multiple different ways. We can be an email solution that would do your anti-phishing, anti-spamming, or we can be an extra line defense scanning any emails or attachments that are coming through before hitting your email. Our solution takes advantage of our anti-phishing, our deep CDR, our proactive DLP, and multi-scanning engines to ensure that your files are safe to use whether email is hosted in the cloud or on-premise. Next, we have our Meta Access. Meta Access, our secure access solution, provides compliance and posture checking to ensure that the endpoint that's trying to access a protected IT resource is in fact compliant with our posture policy. Here we have our Metadefender Secure Storage. We protect files in transit and at rest like a storage bucket such as S3. We can recursively scan files in any storage bucket, whether it's on-prem or on cloud. Meta Access, our secure access solution, provides compliance and posture checking to ensure that the endpoint that's trying to access a protected IT resource is in fact compliant with our posture policy. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about our critical infrastructure platform, please visit us at OPSWAT.com. or you can reach out to one of our solution experts or contact me directly via LinkedIn. Thank you. Have a great day.